Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. Confirm your iPhone supports live photos and you have TikTok and Photos permissions. Open TikTok and save the target video, or use screen recording when downloads blocked. Save the result to Photos. Once the clip is in Photos, trim the clip to the desired 3-6 second section. Shorter clips convert more reliably. Make sure the important motion starts within the first second, because live photos loop the short segment. This gives a smooth, lock screen animation when you finish. Now convert the saved clip into a live photo. Use the Shortcuts app with a ready-made Convert to Live photo routine, or open a third-party converter like into Live and import the clip. Trim to 3-6 seconds, set frame rate and crop to 16:9 vertical, 9:16 for best lock screen fit, and export as a live photo into Photos. Once exported, preview the live photo by pressing and holding. Make sure the motion loop plays smoothly before moving to wallpaper setup. Finish by setting the live photo as your lock screen wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose New Wallpaper, pick Live Photos, Position and Scale, then tap Set for lock screen. Once set, lock your phone and long press the lock screen to trigger the animation. That confirms it's working. If the photo won't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off in Accessibility. You used an actual live photo, not a still, and you're long pressing the lock screen. These fixes resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.